Okay, so what we've got here, we've got a jig set up and we're basically going to replicate various methods of flushing. So we'll start with a chemical flush. So we've got a filter, got a pump, and we've got a radiator. So we're going to fill it up with sludge that you would expect on maybe a 10 radiator system, and we'll see how well the chemical flush does. So we'll do the chemical flush first, and then what we'll do is we'll double back and do the power flush, and we'll actually see how much sludge is left. I'm going to put, I've got sludge here, magnetite, and I'm going to pour it into the system. I'll fill the radiator first, and then I'll go around the rest of the system and put more in, and then we'll see where it ends up. Okay, so we've filled the system up. We're going to put the pump on. We've got an 80 MagnaClean here. It's a Pro 3 Sense. Now, obviously it's just the same as the MagnaClean, the 80 MagnaClean 2. Just so happens that we've got this. We'll do a review on it later. I've opened the valves, opened the gate valves. These are closed, these are my filling points, and I've got the radiator in the line as well. So we're going to put the pump on for an hour, and we'll see what gets collected in the magnet, and then we'll clean the magnet, we'll put it back, and we'll give it another hour, and we'll see what's left. Okay, so the machine's been running for over an hour. We'll check the magnet and see what we're faced with. Probably quite a lot of sludge in this, I would think. Yep. Fair bit there. So what we'll do is we'll clean that off, we'll put it back in, and we'll run it again for another 15 minutes and see where we are. Okay, so I've had it running for 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. We've isolated it, and we'll have a look and see what's on the filter now. Okay, so there's still quite a wee bit on it there. So we've basically had the chemical flush going for close on an hour and a half, maybe even 2 hours all in. So I'm now going to disconnect it and put on my Powerflush machine and see what we get out of the machine, and that will tell us whether the chemical flush has been effective or not. Obviously it has been effective to an extent because it has taken out a lot of sludge, but is it as effective as a power flush? Let's see. Okay, so we've got the power flush machine set up now, Vernox, and we've got our magnets here. 2 80 Pro 80 MagnaClean magnets, and as you can see they're clean. So we'll put them back and we'll get the flush on and we'll see where we are. Okay, so we've now got the power flush machine running, and probably let it run for half an hour, change direction, and then let's see where we are. As you can see, there's still a lot of sludge in that system that we've taken out via the power flush. Now, this is why I keep saying that chemical flush isn't adequate, because that sludge that's here right now is going to be more than enough to block up a plate heat exchanger, which is what we're seeing on a daily basis. So yeah, there you go. I would say that, yep, the chemical flush with the magnet was great. It did pull out a lot of stuff, but it's not enough for me. That sludge there is still going to create a problem.